Periodic properties, electron affinity. So electron affinity is the energy change when 1 mole of electron is added to 1 mole of gaseous atom or ion. So when we're adding electron, it is very similar to ionization energy. Because ionization energy, we're stripping off electrons. But for electron affinity, we're adding on electrons. They're very similar to each other. But there are two remarks that I want to make. The first one is that for ionization energy, it is always negative. And for electron affinity, it can be both negative or positive. That's one thing. And the second remark would be that there are so many exceptions for electron affinity. But the general trend is that as we move across the period, it is more exothermic. And as we go down the group, it is less exothermic. What does it mean if it is more exothermic? So let me give you some numbers. Let's say that it is negative 50. If it is more exothermic, it becomes negative 100. Or if we are starting with positive 50, if it is getting more exothermic, it becomes positive 25. I hope that makes sense. And for less exothermic, let's say that we started with negative 50, less exothermic, it becomes something like negative 25, I guess. Okay. And if we started out with 50 positive, less exothermic, then it'll be 100. All right. And why is it like that? Well, it goes back to the set effective charge again. If we move across the period, the set effective charge increases. And when we go down the group, the set effective charge decreases. But the theory is very similar to ionization energy.